Scriptures?
Yes.
For sure. Amen. Well, praise the Lord. It's great to be with you tonight. Uh-oh. Got it? Great. Amen.
Amen.
Well, praise the Lord.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Praise the Lord.
We're going to go to Acts chapter 17.
Tunina so takalian som le sagi nai pai in ding hi.
Okay. I want to remind you and me, we were created to worship God.
Tunina kong phok sak gig no ba bangyam chi le 87% phat ding ang ki bola hi.
The God that created you and created me created us to worship Him so we could have a relationship with Him.
Nang le tiong boli pasien pen ina ama to ki pol khom dinga o de om de yai mana ma phat yang bola hi.
It is through our worship that we establish a relationship with the true and living God.
Ama to ikizop na te ikip na ding na mai pa toy na sam hi.
Inside of all of us
Ei te de pi sunga khat che da
is the desire and the need to worship God.
ilung kul na le ikisap che da hi pasien pa na di.
No matter what country or culture we come from.
Koi pan koi ya kwa mi jong koi pan koi gam pan pa yong to te to thupilo ki sai lo.
We have been created with a hunger to worship the true God.
Ei te pen pasien phat dinga pasien phat not na lungul na anei dang ki bola hi.
And this is what is revealed in Acts chapter 17.
Yes, hituaina hi sol talian som le sagi na sunga ong gen ki ong kilang ki.
The Apostle Paul is on his second missionary trip.
Nung zoi Paul pen missionary pa na ni ve na hiya.
And while he is in Athens,
Ama pet etena lai ta ka hi.
the philosophers of the city
Tua khopi sunga leitung langa pil na nei te laka.
asked Paul to explain the teachings that he has been discussing in the marketplace.
Paul kia nga thudonga ama thugen te bagyam chi pen to mi pil te na thei no min dong hi.
We're going to pick up the story in Acts 17 verses 22 and 23.
Tunina tua thu pen so takalen som le saki na new som ni le ni na pan som ni le thum na yen ding hi.
Please read.
Tua hi manin Paul zong ki khop na mun elus pagas akichi moal bo tunga dingin eten khuami teo biak na aha kat ma mi te na hi nau ka the hi. Na kho sungua kapai kom komin na biak na hun teo kai chiangin adiak akithei lo pasien ading chi in biak na taw tunga la yakigel na ngon kamu hi tu lai takin ke hong pulak pasien pen thelo na pi in na biak piak u pasien ai hi.
Amen.
They have created the altar to the unknown God.
Amau te na pasien akithei lo pasien biak na taw bonu hi.
See, the philosophers had grown greatly in their understanding of the sciences and humanities.
Tua leitung pil na anei te na leitung scientist to kisai yung leitung pil na thukan na tom te pin nakpitan nei hi.
But there was still something missing inside of their soul to be satisfied.
Ayon tua bang kitchen ma tale ayon kisaba kitchen zolo pena anun ta na sumak akha di nga kisam khatom na.
As excellent as a pursuit of knowledge is,
Pil na to kisahile jong pil ma mo hi.
gaining understanding in the sciences and in the body and in philosophy is a wonderful pursuit.
Leitung pil na yung pumpitak sa to kisaya yung na te pen kitchen ma mo yate na.
But these things can never satisfy the hunger of the soul.
Ayon tua bang te na ama lungkul na de na pen akha din kitchen sak thelo hi.
Spiritual needs cannot be satisfied
Ka to kisaya hi le to pen ilungkul na pen kisama to ten kung kitchen sak thelo.
by accomplishments of the mind or the body.
Ilung simay jong ipumpi to hi zo natin ang kitchen sak thelo hi ka to kisay.
Gaining great knowledge does not meet the hunger of the soul.
Bil na bangsa ni thayay khang zon to ten na ip ka ading pum ikha nun ta na ding bang ma lung kim nang